the Unfinished Film Project. Sponsored by Adobe Firefly.
When two worlds collide, the ocean invades. Brave sailors dare the impossible, but beneath the waves, terror awakens. Fear rises from the depths, and all hope sinks into the abyss. A world drowned, a new nightmare born, tides of terror.
This was a fun project where I used Adobe Firefly to remix the unfinished film by director Sam Finn to create my own original sci-fi horror film. The Unfinished Film is a community storytelling project designed to celebrate creative freedom and collaboration. Using Adobe Firefly, I was able to take Sam's unfinished film and turn it into my own AI-generated masterpiece. Let's take a look at how I used Firefly Boards and Sam's unfinished film to create Tides of Terror, and how you can join the fun and create your own AI short film. From the Firefly homepage, you should see the Boards tab from the menu on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click that now. From here, you can access the Unfinished Film project by Sam Finn. Let's click it to open it up. This will take us over to Firefly Boards, where we can access Sam's unfinished film and remix it to create our own original film. If you zoom in, you can see each step of the process, from the brief to remixing the scenes. Start by reading the brief about the Unfinished Film project, then you can move on to select your opening scene. There are several unique scenes to choose from, so take your time and select the one you think will work best with your story. For my Tides of Terror short film, I simply selected the scenes that I liked best and added them all to a section on the right hand side of the template. With Firefly Boards, it's super easy to keep everything clean and organized. So after selecting the scenes for your film, you can then move down and create your mood board. Here's where you can add images that match the creative vision of your film. Feel free to upload your own images or generate custom images directly in Adobe Firefly using text prompts. And after creating your mood board, you can move down to the next step here, where you can remix the unfinished film visuals. Here's where we can take the scenes that we gathered earlier and remix them using tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, Firefly, Adobe Express, Premiere Pro, or After Effects. To remix one of my scenes, for example, I simply selected it, clicked the three dots icon from the menu up top, then clicked on Open Copy in Adobe Express. Your scene will then be opened up in Adobe Express, where you can fully customize it however you like. For my scene, I needed a cyborg shark, so I created one using a text prompt with the Generate Image AI tool. There are tons of tools available on Adobe Express, so take your time and design the perfect scene for your film. And once you're finished, you can download your customized scene and upload it to your template on Adobe Firefly. On my storyboard, I'm simply going to replace Sam's image with my new updated image. Also, if you wanted to apply the style from one of your mood board images to one of your scenes, simply select them both, then click the Remix tab in the toolbar. The images will then be blended together, creating a really cool effect. Several versions of your remixed image will be generated, and you can select from one of the new images here to use for your scene. With the various Adobe tools and platforms, customization options are pretty much unlimited. So after customizing your scenes, you can then turn them into videos. I created a new section here called My Video Scenes and added my images to the side for easy access. So to turn your scenes into videos, simply click the Generate Video button at the bottom here. You can then select the first frame option, and then simply click the scene that you want to turn into a video. And your selected image will be added to the first frame. And to turn your image into a video, simply type in a text prompt of what you want to happen in your scene. You can then click the Generate button at the bottom right, and AI will turn your image into a dynamic video. I can then take my new video and move it over to my video scenes section on my canvas. Let's do this with all my scenes to create the videos for my film. After creating my scenes, I can download all the videos and add them all to Adobe Express to start editing my film. Simply upload all your videos as scenes, and you can use Adobe Express's tools and features to fully customize your film. This includes adding animated text or graphics, scene transitions for a professional look, add sound effects or music from the Adobe Express Media Library, or even create a brand new scene from scratch. And once you're finished editing your film, you can then download it and share it with the world. So that's a quick overview of my creative process using Firefly Boards, but this is a collaboration project, so now it's your turn to create your own AI short film. To access and remix Sam's unfinished film, go ahead and click the link in the video description. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.